Hey y'all. What are we doing, Gaza?
I just got that.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's basically drift to shoot.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Getting some shit from my boy Mars. You know, the little guest spot. I got the, the NASCAR racing belt. Got the flowery jacket.
Yeah.
I got a little timepiece. I couldn't see the jewelry underneath the mask, but we had to do that. And we got the clears, you know what I'm saying? No tags. Shout out Helen Charles.
Yeah.
You know, one thing that Helen will tell you, and I agree with you about this, there's only one person out of everybody that this DJI hands, whenever the DJI is in the hands, it's lit, and it's me.
It is.
Yeah, no, for the car it's a tight fit. Okay.
Where's the trafficator?
Oh, it's on your hand over there.
Oh shit. As soon as I let go of it's almost like an automatic brake.
Yeah. So you're going to your right now. This right now. Yes, sir.
We on set for Mars. Oh, you're doing it with the camera, not a phone?
I mean, we could do it with both, but I was trying to just get like a real good quality one.
Optimus Prime in this bitch. What you talking about, Nick?
Come on, watch this shit.
Optimus Prime in it. Big Cybertruck, not the little one. Big Louis bag, not the little one. Yeah. Hashtag Sunset Drifters. What we saying, Mars? Why'd the sunset turn you to a drifter, though?
Hey, man, that shit moves fast, you know. Like, I'm trying to speed on it.
Zoom!
Sunset, turn me to a drifter. Sunset, turn me to a drifter.
Sheesh!
I take the game like a mentor. Game on FanDuel, haters in the red, mental. Days on my face cause it's so bright. Follow sunset, turn me to a drifter.
Sunset. Alright, go in there. Wait, are you on?
I need someone to stand in front of this so I can focus. Heaven, do you mind standing like right there? Turn around, face us.
You said it.
Perfect. Okay, I got the focus. Oh, yeah, go back a little bit.
You
want like the full body?
No.
Or just...
Yeah, that's good.
No, go back now. Why not? You can go back a little bit.
Yeah.
What? What's up? You wanted the back in the frame?
Maybe the iPhone would be better.
We're at the studio right now.
You can go into that. Is the auto-tune still on the
You gonna enjoy?
Always on, please. I got
I'm already yeah. I'm locked in.
I see you go. Keep going. Mars, everybody, you know.
What up, MT?
What's going on, man?
Hey.
What's fine?
Talk. Yeah.
I told her just breathe. She like my vibe, she like my arms.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
I'm gonna mute you. You don't want to hear yourself.
Okay, yeah, you can mute me. That works.
Baby, come with me. Take you on a ride.
Then, like, on the drop, boom.
Baby, I told you just baby, come with me. Take you on a ride.
I put ad-libs on that bitch.
You have to.
Yes.
You have to.
But I know that beach.
I feel like
That Southside.
I feel like
Put Alice on that beat.
I know exactly what you think.
Woo!
Okay. I feel like this one will fit enter. So like I want Loki one that Evans.
That I know. We take out like
It's
anybody
like-
get any hot palpitation like you go there.
The sky waiting for us. Don't you wanna fly? It ain't easily done, it ain't easy. All this nice, I'm keeping it squeaky. All this nice, I'm keeping it squeaky. You
I'm trying to meet you right here, dog. So you're gonna run some ad-libs on that too, but let's hear it back.
I see. That's why I was. I see.
2 or 3. Let me try.
A little candy, bro.
Yeah, just.
For some reason, it's sounding good in the middle, like at the end.
Wait, are we live?
No.
Damn, I should go live though.
No.
Yeah. Oh my God.
That's better.
You listen me now.
No.
Living a bunch of
Yeah, that's actually fucking true, bro. No. That's actually.
You should block us, bro.
Chat. We're gonna pick it back up from another elevator. Just get my shit right. You feel me? Yo. Oh, shit, my God. What's up, man? Damn, bro.
I've been recording here.
Oh, look at that.
Hey, vlog.
Look at this nigga, bro.
That's me.
Y'all, introduce y'all. I gotta introduce y'all to this motherfucker, Trey, bro. He wildin'. He always wildin', bro. Yeah. And then that's Victor in the back. Y'all see him? Yeah. We got Chef. Chef Slice. Hey, no, y'all ever seen a nigga cut onions like that apart from?
Actually?
Yeah. Active. This is for my American bloggers, so I ain't really tell him no. So we know if he ain't got it.
I wanna put it.
Hell yeah, go ahead. Like everyone knows it's your supreme time.
That shit. Hey, look at that.
You already know. Okay.
Bro, wait, I kind of like it though.
No, not even my time. Chill down. Analyze.
You just say the glass.
It doesn't even go. I say no. You know what? Say no one day again. So now me tell you. Your side, your side. No. You not be sad. You not be sad. This guy is shy. You think I think I'm gonna wait your talk?
So I'm recording.
Yeah, you could have called the chef.
Yeah.
Shake it.
He said, what? Okay, so we're here at a housewarming. It's not a housewarming though. Maybe like a get together at the boys' house. The boys' house, when I say boys' house, is like Juan, Sharek, and Joseph. Yes.
I'm in the room. They road they go.
Yeah, like for 6 hours.
Yo, fam, so we forgot how to vlog. We forgot that we're supposed to be vlogging every day, every time.
I was vlogging a little bit.
Nah, she wasn't vlogging.
I went downstairs.
Oh, you did?
I was vlogging. This is my vlog.
My fault.
This is my vlog.
Yeah, we did. What's up? Say what's up. Bro, don't act like you're shy, bro.
I'm shy.
You were the style of the
This the shy
guy.
This is the shy guy. Victor's the shy guy. He's the shy guy.
Shy guy. Wait, nah, balaclava be this.
Yes, no. Come on.
I'm Robert.
Enfin. Hey. What's he gonna do? You got it proud. You got it proud. You got it proud. Yeah. Gifted.
Oh yeah. Say wait, man, show you, man. The chicken, spicy. What do you do for her?
I'm here with water. Drink water, mind your business.
Drink water.
Everybody
Drink water.
Joey Zanza, the richest youth in Africa.
Play some Ashake. Play something that no lyrics.
Like magic. Come on, that swag inspire. Burning fire. They go hear them. Talk about mine. Walk with your body, man.
Okay, I'm gonna play a universal acceptable song.
Wait, this is... What the heck? What the hecky?
Yeah, you want this your blue beret where they catch you. I don't understand this guy. Why they catch blue beret?
You see him carry wheelchair, they say I be creep. Where you see him carry wheelchair? When you do my leg and you walk like man, what do you mean? I didn't see blood for my body.
Yeah, you too drunk. You too drunk, my nigga. You too drunk, my nigga.
I'm a real ass bitch to the song. Lean down, combos on Zoom. Can't wait, I don't gotta use Zoom. Real friendly ass bitch on room. Popped out with a brand new dude. Popped out with a brand new team. Walk this milk good on tea. Pop parts all day, you burn. Big bands on me, I'm turned.